First is our barbecue. Don't eat them. Okay, barbecue treat. Hey, wait a second. Barbecue treat. Poor Charlie. That was very rude. Would you like to sample the barbecue? This is our pepperoni with ketchup. I will serve you. There is yours. Here, Charlie. No ma'am. Here is yours. Was it delicious? Is our mayonnaise cheese sandwich. Here is yours, madame. And here's yours, sir. Excuse me. No. Here's yours. Thank you for cleaning our plates. Little mayonnaise on your lip. Let me get that for you. Thank you. Peanut butter chip. A little chewy. It sticks to you for a little bit. Otherwise delicious. Do you need some help, sir? I'll get that for you. Oh, there you go. Crunch, crunch. For your eating pleasure, we have pickle with mayonnaise. You got a little bit on your mustache. There you go. You still struggling with that peanut butter, ma'am? Thank you for joining us in this taste testing, and hit that subscribe and like